Shiba Inu ecosystem is on fire. Now, this is not Shiba Inu token itself that we're talking about. SHIB is flat right now because the overall market's really flat, but Bone is on fire, up 48% on the 24-hour. Go look at it. It's amazing. $1.94 trading at right now, and also has just cracked the top 100 in all of crypto. And I think it's going to continue to go up, and we're going to talk about why in this video. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe, drop a like, tell the algorithm that we are here. Thank you for your support. So, what's going on? One word: Shibarium. Shibarium is imminent. It's on its way, and you see the price of Bone going up, which is interesting because if you kind of look at it and look at the various aspects of what's happening here, when Shibarium goes live, it's going to go live with a beta test net. It's not going to go live with a mainnet launch. Mainnet launch simply means that it's live, it's in production, it's fully operational. It's going to be in a test version for probably months after it goes live. But it is the interest, it is the worldwide coverage of Shibarium and the worldwide interest in Bone. Why? Why is Bone such a big deal in this context? Bone is simply going to be the gas token for Shibarium. Any and all transactions that run through Shibarium will require Bone to transact. I bought Bone a while ago, but I also bought some at $1.04, and I'm gonna continue to add to it because I think that, simply put, Bone is gonna go up and go up and up. It's a very small, finite, limited supply of Bone as an additional scenario, and I think that we're gonna continue to see it rise. And when Shibarium does launch, we could see Bone go up $1 on that one given day. Crazy, crazy numbers. It's up 48% right now. And Shibarium's not even out. So that's interesting. So with that said, give it some thought. Take a look at Bone. Shiba Inu's flat, kind of waiting. And also kind of all of crypto is flat right now. Bone is on fire, and I think the ecosystem is about to completely change as far as Shibarium launch and all things Shiba Inu. I'll see you. Bye.